Good day to all. In this particular video, we will look into the details of cockroach. Now, the most common species of cockroach is Periplaneta americana. So, all the details that we complete of cockroach will be related to this particular species Periplaneta americana. Now, talking of the phylum in which Periplaneta americana or cockroach comes, it is phylum Arthropoda, the largest phylum of animal kingdom, and cockroach comes in class Insecta. Talking of the length of cockroach, it is 34 to 53 millimeter long. If we convert it into centimeters, we can say that it will be 3.4 to 5.3 centimeters long. Now, talking of the habitat of cockroaches, these like to live in damp places, the places which have high humidity. Examples, sewers, kitchen pipes, etc. These animals are nocturnal, that is, they come out at night. These animals are omnivorous, they eat everything. Now, one character is which differentiates between males and females. Now, in the case of males, wings extend beyond the tip of abdomen, so male cockroaches can be recognized by this particular feature. Now, their body is segmented. Body is divided into three parts. The three parts are head, thorax, and abdomen. Now, head has 6 segments which are fused together. Thorax has 3 segments and the abdomen has 10 segments. These segments numbers are similar in the case of male as well as female cockroach. Talking of a structure which is called as sclerites. Now we very well know that the phylum Arthropoda is characterized by the presence of exoskeleton of chitin. So that means chitin will also be present in the case of cockroach. Now, the body of cockroach, as we had seen, it was divided into these segments. Now, each segment has 4 plates of chitin. So, let us understand it with the help of diagram. So, let us say that it is a small segment which is present in the body of cockroach. Now, this small plate will be present on upper side. Upper side is the dorsal side. Similarly, one small chitinous plate will be present on lower side, that is ventral side, and 2 plates will be present on lateral side. So these plates are on lateral sides. So we can say that this is 1, this is again 1 in number, and these will be 2 in number. So these 4 small chitinous plates, these are known by the term sclerites. So these are the sclerites. Now this dorsal sclerite, it is called as tergite. Ventral sclerite is called as sternite, and lateral plates, lateral sclerites are known by the name of pleurites. So these are the 4 types of sclerites. Now these sclerites are joined by a membrane, and that particular membrane is called as articular membrane, or we can call it arthrodial membrane. If we see in this particular diagram, then these 4 sclerites are there, and arthrodial membrane will be joining these different structures. So this is the description of sclerites.